Hello operative. Your mission is to defend the city's network by analyzing the network grid. Let's create a game. Various packets are traveling through the network. Your score is shown here. The color indicates who is winning. When a malicious packet is attacking, the building is highlighted red. Click on a red building to set a firewall against the packet. Here is the packet filter board. Hover through the incoming packets to find the red, malicious one and click it. We can see what type of packet it is and we have to set the filter to match it. When we are done, set the firewall. Continue to do this until time runs out. There will be 3 waves.